Welcome to Tron Gift Club.
I will be showing you today how to make 3,072 Trons a week on Tron Gift Club. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to a very important update that I would like to share with you. This project was just launched, and a lot of people are troping in because it is going very viral. The name of this project is called Tron Gift Club. Tron Gift Club is an auto gifting system built on complete automation that enables you to receive lots of Tron coins because the project is built on heavy traffic. And it is also built on AI. How will you love the situation whereby you are receiving tiny amount of Tron, like three Trons in every 1 hour or every 30 minutes, receiving a minimum of three Trons auto payments, and unlimited Tron coins up to 3,075 Trons. Every week, Tron Gift Club is programmed to generate you such kind of amount of real Tron money into your Tron wallet. In a moment, I will show you how the compensation plan works. You can use any Tron wallet that can receive tiny amount of Tron, like Token Pocket, TronLink Pro, Trust Wallet, Bybit, or Binance. This particular wallet can receive tiny amount of Tron coins. It can receive even 1 Tron coin. So that is the kind of wallet you can use for this project. So I want you to take this update very, very serious because it's a long-term project. You see, Tron Gift Club is built on a solid platform of a group of cryptocurrency traders and cryptocurrency lovers that come together to form a gifting club. This gifting club, which you start with 15 Tron coins. Once you register today with your friend's invitation link, it's going to take you to the registration page. Now, you only need your email address and your Tron address to register on this platform. Then click on Create My Account, and your account will be automatically created. This will take you direct to your dashboard, where you are going to see 5 different Tron addresses. So your next step is to click on the copy icon here by the side of each of the Tron address. Beside each address, you click on the copy icon to copy the address to your clipboard. When you have copied it, then you go to your Tron wallet and send 3 Trons to that Tron address which you have copied. You do the same for the rest of the Tron addresses. There are 5 of them on your dashboard. You send 3 Trons to each and every one of them. You do it at once. After you have done the payments, you will see a timer below the Tron addresses. Those timer is showing you 24 hours. That you have 24 hours to complete your activation. So you have to activate the Tron gifting before the timer expires. The gifting system costs just 15 Trons. By sending 3 Trons into each of the 5 Tron addresses you find on your dashboard. And then, once you have completed the payments, your next step is to click on the paid button. You see it below the timer on your dashboard. This will automatically activate your account now that you have formally joined the Tron Gifting Club community. Your next very important step is to start promoting your Tron Gift Club invitation link. This will trigger traffic to your account. You can use the auto share to WhatsApp button you find on your dashboard here to promote your invitation link and start sharing Tron Gift Club with your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, and also share with your email lists. This will start to trigger lots of traffic into your Tron Gift Club account and generating you lots of Tron payments into your Tron address while you sleep. And when everyone under your Tron Gift network do the same, they will start promoting your Tron address on their Tron Gift Club page, and this will duplicate your Tron address on lots of Tron Gift Club pages on complete automation, and generating you lots of massive Tron payments into your Tron wallet as your Tron address is being duplicated on lots of Tron Gift Club pages. I want you to know that this is a powerful project. Lots of people are joining and activating Tron Gift Club with 15 Trons and receiving massive Tron payments into their Tron wallet every day, non-stop. You'll be receiving lots of 3 Trons multiple times in your Tron wallet you plug into the system. Here is the compensation plan and how your Tron address will be duplicated on lots of Tron Gift club pages. You get paid massive Tron payments in a geometric system, on complete automation even while you sleep. In 5 levels deep, your Tron address will be duplicated on up to 3,125 pay points. With each pay point sending you lots of 3 Trons multiple times weekly on complete automation even while you sleep. Now this is the beauty of this project. In level 1 you will be making 12 Trons after your Tron address is duplicated on 4 Tron gift pages. In level 2 you will be making 48 Trons after your Tron address is duplicated on 16 Tron gift pages. In level 3 you will be making 192 Trons after your Tron address is duplicated on 64 Tron gift pages. In level 4 you will be making 762 Trons after your Tron address is duplicated on 256 Tron gift pages. While in level 5 you will be making 3,072 Trons after your Tron address is duplicated on 1,092 Tron gift pages. This compensation plan will be sending you lots of Tron money on geometric system. Your only job is to promote your invitation link and recharge the system every 5 days. This will automate the system and generate you up to 3,072 Trons weekly, on complete automation even while you sleep. Your Tron address is going to go viral and sending you lots of Tron payments into your Tron wallet. So take action now and do not joke with this long-term auto-paying system. Thank you for watching this video presentation and see you in the members area.